Hello friends, now I will show you two easiest ways to crop video in Premiere Pro. The first way, go to the Effects tab and search for Crop Drag and drop the crop effect onto your video. Then click your video and go to the Effects tab. If you don't see the Effects tab, go to the Windows tab and activate the Effects tab. Here you can see all the effects applied to this video. By moving these values, you can adjust and trim your video. Now let's animate the trimming. As you can see, we have automatically created our first key. Let's move the cursor a little further away and change the value. That's how simple our animation is. If you want to make the animation less linear, select all your keys and right-click AD. Second method. For this, we need the properties of the transparency effect. Select the Free Draw Bezier tool. Let's change the scale for convenience. Draw the necessary mask, and our mask is ready. You can also animate this mask. To do this, enable animation for the mask path element. Browse through the video, move the mask as you like, and set the key. That's all. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to you.